From the love of wearing hats to designing them. In this week's edition of the Business Review, a local creative company, Woman of Virtue Fashion, showcases its blend of unique vintage and contemporary headwears. Here's Aisha Nation.
A modern twist to vintage elegance. Fashion trends come and go, and societal expectations of women are constantly shifting. There is, however, something timeless about the elegance of a beautifully crafted hat.
We live in a world where sometimes fashion means that you have to take on somebody else's style, somebody else's pattern of dressing. It's about owning who you are, be proud of who you are, and just wearing it and embracing it. And so there are lots of persons who love hats because they are statement pieces and it kind of celebrates a little bit of class, a little bit of elegance, a little bit of, a little bit of something. So for me, I wanted to bring that to the Jamaican market.
For founder of Woman of Virtue Fashion, Sarah Anderson Grant, it's not just about following fleeting fashion fads. She says the 3-year-old company is about empowering women who are passionate about style and aren't afraid to embrace their individuality. And investing in your passion can be challenging, so let's explore how she started.
My current boss, he found a program by JBDC called Design Fusion. So 3 years ago, I entered that program where they taught me to really just professionalize the craft and improve the craft. They showed me skills because everything that you see is really a gift from God naturally. But they showed me how to make it into a business.
From a $100,000 investment, Ms. Anderson Grant says her capital is measured in business growth. She says operating a business isn't all about making money.
My growth is not monetary growth, but what I've done, I've grown in terms of, as I said, I started to do purses, I started to look at money bouquets. So for the last 3 years, what I've been doing is trying to build foundation. So in terms of capital, cash coming in, not maybe about, I would say, 5% growth that way, but in terms of foundation, if I'm supposed to assess myself from a product perspective, I've grown maybe about 50 to 60% from where I started.
From trade shows to weddings, photo shoots to custom designs. Woman of virtue with a passion for fashion. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.